Hello all, welcome to the demo video of Tuition Diary. Tuition Diary is an Android application to manage the students, batches, courses and the entire enrollment process very smoothly. So if you have a tuition class or a coaching institute, then this application will be very useful for you. So let's start with the different features. So this is the landing screen. Here you can see 4 modules. So first of all, when you are starting new, you need to add the courses that you teach. So for that, click on courses, go to add course. Here you have to add the course name, course duration and course fees. Okay, so let me just add a course name as physics, for example. Duration, let's say 6 months. Fees, let's say 5,000 rupees, and let me click on add course. Now the course has been added. We can go to fetch courses and see all our courses. So here we can see that physics with 6 months duration has been added. Next thing is we need to add batches. So for that, click on batches, click on add batch. So here we need to select a course. Let us select physics here. Now let us select a start time. Let's say every day we have a batch at 7 p.m. and end time is, let's say, 9 p.m. Okay. So after adding these details, I need to click on add batch to create a new batch. Now go to my batches. Here you can see all your batches. So at the moment I have 2 batches created. One is maths from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Other is physics from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now I can click on a batch to see how many students are enrolled in that batch. Okay, so as we can see here, in maths batch, which is 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., we have 3 students. Okay, this is just demo data. Okay, so here we can see that the second student, that is Kumar Vishwas, he has paid all the fees. Okay, now there you must be seeing 2 buttons, like for 2 students, get fees buttons are visible. So you can click that to get fees from the student. So before that, let's take an example of Bindya Patel. Okay, here you are seeing rupees 2,350. So this amount is due. Okay, you can click on get fees and you can add the fees, like whatever fees the student is paying. So let's say the student is paying 350 rupees. Okay, you can click on accept fees. If you also want to send an SMS to the student, you can click on accept fees and send SMS. Okay, so for now let's just click on accept fees. So as you can see that the amount here got updated to rupees 2,000. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, so now we have the courses and batches in place. Okay, next thing is we need to create students. So for that you need to go to students, then click on register student. So for every new student, a unique ID will get generated. Okay, so as you can see, the new student that will get registered, he or she will have the ID of STC37. Now STC here is customizable. It basically stands as an abbreviation for your tuition or coaching class. Okay, so to register a new student, you have to select the gender, then add the student name, contact number, emergency contact number, this is very important, and then click on register student. Okay, now we already have some demo students added. Okay, so we will not register this time. Let's go back. Yeah, there is a useful feature called search student. Okay, let's say there is a student here with the name Vishakha Gupta. Okay, so let me just click on search, and here we get the student details. The student has the student ID as STC5. Okay, now click on the row to fetch more details. Now under student list you can basically get a list of all the students registered between a time range. Let's say in the year 2021 how many students got registered, for example. Okay, so these many students, total 17 students got registered. Okay, now let us go back. Now we have courses, batches, students. Now let us enroll the students in a batch. Okay, for that click on enrollments, then go to enroll student. Okay, now here you need to add the student ID. Okay, let's take an example of Vishakha Gupta. Okay, that we just saw. Her student ID is 5. Now there's one more important thing. Whenever you register a new student, at that time there is an option to send the student ID in the form of an SMS to the student. Okay, so that even student is aware about his or her student ID. So now in this case, since we know the student ID, we have typed that, and now we need to click on the search icon. So here the student details have been fetched. Now let us select a course. So let's say let us add the student to maths. Okay, now here under maths there can be multiple batches, but since we only have one batch at the moment, so let us select this batch 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now the total fees for that course is 2500. Okay, now we need to add the amount that the student is paying at the time of enrollment. Out of 2500, how much amount is the student paying? So let's say 500 rupees. Okay, now after adding these details we need to click on enroll for this course. Now here it asks us, do we also need to send SMS to the student? If you want to send an SMS, you can, otherwise simply click on yes. Now we can see that the student has been enrolled. To see a list of enrollments, click on total enrollments. Here again, using a date range, you can fetch the enrollments. So here we can see that there are 2 enrollments between this date range. Okay, and Vishakha Gupta we just now added. Let us go back. Now let us go through some other features. Clicking on this basically shows 3 options. So first is the dashboard. Let us click on dashboard. So here is your account name. So this is just a demo account. Okay, and here you can see the statistics, like how many students have been registered till date, how many students have been enrolled, and at the bottom you can also see like your account is active till what date. Let us go back. Now second module is accounts. So if you go to accounts, you need to select start date and end date. Okay, so basically the total fees or anything related to the money, okay, that you have received. So it is basically a list of that amount. So as we can see here, total amount of 850 was received today. Okay, similarly I can add this for a month. Let's say in this year how many amount did I receive. Okay, in the year 2021, starting from 1st of January till today. So we can see total 1,28,240 rupees was received. Okay, this is very useful if you want to know like when and how much amount you received from your students. So that is all regarding this application. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.